Year to date, Apple stock is nearly up to 57% and its market capitalization is near to $2 trillion, with the stock price of $456 per one share. And recently, Apple announced a 4-to-1 stock split during its quarterly results last month. While stock splits are meaningless in terms of fundamentals, the move will actually have an impact to the Dow Jones Industrial Average. And here comes William Shakespeare with the question, to buy or not to buy? Actually, there was to be and not to be, but anyways. In this video, I'll do a bit of Apple stock analysis and try to find an answer to this question. Watch the full video and let me know in the comments on your thoughts on this. Hey there, this is Stockspert. I make videos about personal finance and investments, so we together invest properly and get more returns. If you wanna check out my other videos for beginners as well as top stock ideas, they are in card section and in the video description. Let's quickly like the video and subscribe to my channel to go further. You did like and subscribe, right? You would really help me out with that. Thank you. Talking about Apple's business, it primarily runs around its flagship iPhone, the one that I'm shooting this video on. However, the services portfolio that includes revenues from cloud services, App Store, Apple Music, Apple Care, Apple Pay and licensing services and other services now became a cash cow. Moreover, non-iPhone devices like Apple Watch and AirPod gained significant traction. In fact, Apple dominates the wearables and hearables markets due to the growing adoption of AirPod and Watch. Solid uptake of Apple Watch also helped Apple to strengthen its presence in personal health monitoring space. Headquartered in Cupertino, California, Apple also designs, manufactures and sells iPad, MacBook and HomePad. These devices are powered by software applications including iOS, macOS, watchOS and tvOS operating systems. Apple's other services include subscription-based Apple News Plus, Apple Card, Apple Arcade, new Apple TV app, Apple TV channels and Apple TV Plus, which is a new subscription service. In fiscal 2019, Apple generated $265.7 billion in total revenues. The company's flagship device iPhone accounted 54.7% of the total revenue. Services, Mac, iPod, and other products category contributed the other part respectively. Apple sells its services everywhere in the world on a geographical basis, while in the report, the leading locations, it's Americas with 44.9% and Europe in the second place with 23.2%, as well as China with 16.8% on the third place. Apple faces stiff competition from the likes of Samsung, Xiaomi, Oppo, Vivo, Google, Huawei, and Motorola in the smartphone market, while Lenovo, HP, Dell, Acer and Asus are its primary competitors in the PC market. Other notable competitors are Google and Amazon in smart speakers and Fitbit and Xiaomi in wearables. And now let's talk a bit about stock analysis of Apple. In 33rd week, which was marked by news that could be seen as bearish, shares of the Apple company climbed yet another 3.4%. The stock actually reached an intraday market capitalization of $2 trillion, but failed to close the trading session above these levels. From the beginning of this year, Apple is up nearly 57%, while the S&P 500 index just recovered from the March correction. Apple has also outperformed the Vanguard's informational technology sector index and consumer discretionary sectors by at least 33 percentage points so far in 2020 and beat the FAMG group by 23 percentage points. And as I said in the beginning of the video, Apple also announced about stock split of 4-to-1 during its quarterly results last month. This is another stock split since the last one occurred in 2014, which was 7-to-1 stock split. While stock splits are generally meaningless in terms of fundamentals, the move will actually have an impact to the Dow Jones Industrial Average and more investors will be able to buy Apple stock, unless they already use the brokerage services which allow buying fractional shares. Talking about fractional shares, eToro investing platform does allow buying fractional shares. If you are interested in registering in eToro, I'll leave the sign up link in the description. So let's review the bullish drivers and bearish drivers for Apple stock, and here are some of the key factors helping to lift the stock in recent period. Rumors have resurfaced that Apple will offer bundled service packages called Apple One. In many analysts' view, this could be a game changer for the company's services segment, remarking that Apple successfully doubled 2016 revenues in the current year. And another bullish driver is that Apple was the target of another round of bullish research notes from the Wall Street. Wedbush Denise, for example, issued a street-high price target of $600 per share, suggesting that market capitalization of $2.6 trillion is within reach. However, not everything was a good news, and here are the bearish drivers. The number of smartphones shipped in China decreased in July, and probably Apple should struggle to generate growth in this country in the nearest term. Notorious Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo estimated that an App Store ban of WeChat could cause global iPhone shipments to drop by 30%. While this estimate seems overly pessimistic, it is likely that the impact of a ban would be noticeable, but not as much as he says. And another bearish driver is that Epic Games has sued Apple and Google for its App Store and Google Play practices, as these companies removed the game of Fortnite from their platform. While the lawsuit itself shouldn't be damaging to Apple's balance sheet, the reputation risk, exposure to further antitrust study, and potential drop in future App Store commissions could all bode ill for the company and its financial results. Here's a chart that compares the performance of Apple stock and S&P 500 and the industry. Apple's dashboard is looking great for momentum traders, while the value investors might be less excited. Its shares continue to trade at a historically high premium to 50-day and 150-day moving averages. And here's the question of the day. Please comment below, would you buy an Apple stock for $115 after stock split? And do you think it has potential, regardless of its upcoming stock split? Let's discuss in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to turn the subscribe button into gray color by clicking it, and you may want to hit the notification bell to be aware of the new upcoming videos. If you want to check out my recent videos on personal finance and investments, here are the latest ones for you. Bye!